Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today let's check out in a very easy way how to get started with if you have a young gamer into the house. For example, Epic Games will offer some of the most robust parental controls into gaming, so everything starts directly into with a parental pen. So I'm going to be showing you how to find these settings into your PC and the key features you showed enabled right now. So you can do this through the Epic Games launcher or by logging into the account on the official website. In my case, what I'm going to be doing is to sign in directly inside epicgames.com. Once I have correctly signed in, what I'm going to be doing here is to focus into the profile icon into the top right, and you can change the country, region, and the language. Here what I'm going to do is to focus directly into the profile icon once again, what I see directly inside here, and into the top right corner on the left side hand menu. Of course, I want to look out for the option that says parental control or parental account. If you don't see this, what you can do is to focus into account only. So click into account. For example, here's my account ID information, linked account, communication, password and security, and much more. Let's click into this one that says parental controls. So I click into this one, and let's say set parental controls pin. Manage access to social features, purchasing and gaming content. Please set a new 6-digit pin to enable the parental control for this account. So I'm going to type this 3 codes just as an example. Let's say that I'm going to be doing this much more faster. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Something like this. And it says you have successfully created a parental control pin. That means that once I have done this important process, you can set voice and text chat independently for younger children. I highly recommend setting this to friends only or nobody. So my general setting says that we have a parental pin, right? But for example, Epic Games payment always require a PIN to purchasing using Epic Games payment services. If you enable this, if your friend, if your kid, if somebody is using your account wanted to make a purchase, they must be entering the parental control PIN that will be required to complete the payment using the game payment. And if off, your child will be able to complete payment without an actual PIN. So take that in mind. Now, Epic Games Store and FAF require PIN to get new content rated above, for example, from unrated, mature teen, everyone, or more. So let's say, for example, that stuff that are above mature 17, you will need to enter your PIN to get new games rated above mature 17 into the Epic Games Store. So we can allow voice and written communications with the AI features. When this setting is on, your child can interact with AI features into the Epic Games. You can hit into the option that says off. So with this element, you're actually good to go. You should also toggle on filter mature language. This will mask profanity into the text chat to keep things a little bit cleaner. So we can turn on the Epic Friends permission toggle if you want an account to require a PIN every time your child wants to add or accept a new friend request. Now, talking about the actual money under the store settings, you can make sure they always require a PIN for purchases and toggle those on. All of those directly can be done directly here into the time limits, the time reports, the email preferences, Fortnite settings, and so much more. So time limits, even in reports features, is also one of the newest and most useful features in time limit controls, because you can set a total of amount of playtime allowed per day. So let's say, for example, that my kid has a time limit here, set time limit, set a custom daily. Say, for example, that he is available to let's say to play from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. After 9 p.m. they are not going to be able to enter anymore. So if they hit the limit, they can actually request more time in game, which sends an email directly to you where you can grant an extra 30 minutes with just one click. So with all of these settings, you can breathe a little easier knowing the account is secure. Remember, the PIN is the key, so keep this safe. Do you think these time limits are a good idea? You can let me know in the comments below. Anytime you want to cause the link to the parental controls, you can go for the option that says change the PIN, enter a new code here, or what you can do is just to go directly into the parental controls and you can delete the parental controls directly inside here, and you are actually good to go. So if this was very useful, of course, for you guys, what you can do is just to make sure that you hit Now subscribe to Tutor Express. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. What are some more great tools how you can get started directly inside here. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys, and well, see you next time.